Bought something from the Microsoft Store and now you want your money back? Here's exactly how to get a refund fast. Step 1. Go to the official Microsoft account website, account.microsoft.com, and click on Sign In, and sign in using the same account you used for your purchase. Step 2. Click on Order History. Find the item you want to refund for. It could be a game, app, or subscription. Step 3. If it's eligible, you'll see a Request a Refund button. Click it, choose your reason for the refund, and submit the form. Step 4. Microsoft will review your request, and if approved, you'll get your money back in 3 to 5 business days. Pro tip, refunds usually work for purchases made within 14 days, so act quickly. And that's it, your Microsoft Store refund is on its way. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel.